okkirira ebi wo bantu balaga ebiyinja nsozi eno gye bayita mu nsozi leka bw'osaba katonda akuwulira bulungi kale nkakasiza olunaku olwaleero bulijjo mbadde manyi byoposting otulimba naye Jaja 12. And of course, those ones watching from USA, UK, you told me when I come this side, I should be balancing the languages. And you told me you want to really justify, is Jaja 122 years old? Yes, she is 122 years old. And of course, with her favorite grandson who always puts her on social media. Those ones watching from Kenya, thank you guys. You've been inboxing me on TikTok, asking me, please, Alan. Some of you never knew me, but because people have been tagging me and you've been asking me, Alan, please go and visit Jaja. And of course, I came straight from Kampala to Muhororo. That's it's a 7.5 or 8 hours drive, and I came this side to see Jaja. And of course, she is very happy. And of course, because of the age, she smiles, and the smile isn't that big, but you see the joy inside her is that big. You see, Jaja, you hear English, right? Oh, you see, when you speak English, she can listen. Yeah.
Byonna abiwulira lwakuba nti oluzungu aluwulira naye okulwogera like lumuwaamu obuzibu naye byonna abiwulira, oba Kiswahili oba lulimi ki Luganda byonna.
Asinga kubeera nani wano?
Nange sometimes tubeerako like abasinga bonna wano tibasulawo kubanga abasinga babeera balina ebyokukola, abasinga baba ku ssomero, naye nze ne bwe nkomawo okuva ku ssomero ngamba leero nja ssula wa Jjajja, nja ssula eyo ne Jjajja oba nja siiba ne Jjajja, nkole ki ne Jjajja buli kimu nga mubeesabeesaawo wetubeerawo bwetyo nga tutambuza obulamu bulungi.
For those ones that don't understand Luganda, but they love following you, and guys from Kenya, guys from USA, yes, people have been asking me. Yeah, people have been asking me, and they've been telling me to come and visit you. At least narrate for them in English.
As you can see, we're here with grandmama, great grandmama. As I told you, she got 122 years. She was born in 1899, 20th December. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love that you showed us on the station of noon. her birthday day on TikTok, for sharing, for liking, for commenting, for everything that you did for us, you people. We thank you all. Thank you for the love.
What does she love eating?
She likes meat, bananas, then supras, vegetables. Yeah, mostly vegetables. Yeah. That's why you see the skin, the skin, the smile, the whatever. For real. Sometimes she be there and ask me about to design her or to make her makeup,
Hey.
to make her look wow. Yeah, I'll be at you around. Just scrub her face like, oh yeah, applying some ibirungos, as you know.
Yeah, what's with her secret? What's the secret with her dreads?
Hundreds. The secret, for real, I also don't know the secret about that, but my work is to clean the dreads. I do clean them most every day. Every day I do clean the dreads, her dreads, yeah. I apply some what?
Some shampoo.
Shampoos, everything to make them look wow, to make them look beautiful. She loves it that way. Oh my God, yeah.
Does she fall sick frequently?
Not for real.
Really?
Not. You know, there are some things that she do eat sometimes, like omujaja oba ogumanyi, eh? Omujaja, kalifuuha, ateekamu bino ebya emichungwa, ebyo ebikoola ebyo, in tea, naye ow'amata. Everyday, nga naye muka nnyo nnyo. And talya bino like fried what food.
Hey,
Yeah.
she doesn't eat fried food.
Yeah, fried food, no. Even tomatoes, huh? She likes the small ones, the small tomatoes. Yeah, the small ones, tiny ones. And the old ones, zile ezasooka. Yeah. Then
She does that by herself, not forcing her that Jaja don't eat fried things, or you put her on a diet.
sometimes I try to bring her food, like when I'm in town and I find her here when not cooked here, and she's hungry. Then I decide to go in town to buy her some food. But she doesn't even try. N'amandaazi nago tagalya kubanga gabamu butto. Emigaati.
What does she do? What's her daily routine? When she wakes up, what does she?
She wakes up in the morning, asooka kunaaza face, then after that cleaninga. She loves it so much. Collecting firewood every day. And naye nga waliwo watera ozuukuka nga sometimes azuukuka nga ziri ssaawa 12 kumakya. Naye sometimes she works at around, is it? Yeah, 12:01 p.m. lwazuukuka sometimes. Then bw'amala ozuukuka akiriininga abeera wano. Sebo, you see those stones?
Jaja moves by herself from the house.
Yeah, from the house.
Can she take herself in the toilet?
Of course, every day.
No one carries her.
Yeah, no one every day.
At 122.
Yes. But what I do sometimes, because she got no power to wash her clothes, so I help her on that. Sometimes when I'm around, nedda. She doesn't. You see, you see what you have said.
My Jaja, that's my Jaja. That's my Jaja. Jaja, I love you so much. I swear, Jaja, I love you so much. You know that, yeah? Okimanyire? Okumanyire nti nkwenda muno? Nkwenda muno, Jaja.
Halfway, even us. You know what we gotta do first, because the way how I'm seeing, she hasn't put anything inside, and I've been working since morning. She has been sleeping, so I came this side, found her.
So you're going to get her something?
Yeah,
Nice?
let's go and get her something to put in, because I've been working there down. I'm a hard working guy. You may see me there because you know butunda wange. bipande nga bibiri. Yeah.
So nkwatireko wano jajja wange
Oba nsooke neete engatto zo jjajja.
genda ote engatto za jajja
Then tugende. Oba ndeete ziriwa? Ziri eziri bwe ziti? Okay.
Wow. Abatulaba bagambye jjajja yeetambuza, jjajja ne yeetwala ebweru, jjajja azuukuka, jjajja tatambuza muggo. Jjajja tatambuza muggo. Jangu wano. Jjajja tatambuza muggo. Does she move with a stick?
She moves with that stick when she's going to the garden down there. Yeah, aba yetaga, she needs support bwaba atambula. Naye when she's around here at home, she doesn't use a stick. Yeah. She's strong.
She moves well.
Yeah, she moves well. Yeah.
Omuceere.
Yeah, ali omuceere. Omuceere nga wabagambye vegetables, meat.
Muceere. You love rice?
Kati okay, kati olaba jjajja ye she needs time. Kale bw'aba akola ebintu bye aba tayataga kumusumbwa, aba yagala akola mpola slowly buli kintu ekikye ne bwaba kale when she's cooking aba tayagala okukwata ku mmere yo. Yeah, jjajja she can't eat in a hotel. Tasobola.
She cooks by herself.
She cooks by herself. Yeah, if at all you get her firewood, buli kimu.
You're kidding me. Jaja cooks her food.
Jaja cooks her food.
Where does she cook from?
Yeah, in the kitchen there. Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah, seriously.
Tell you why. Tuli mu kwambaza jajja ngatto. Jajja.
Atera okwagala. Wama luno tirukola.
Jaja, tugende, we buy drinks and eat. We come back with meat.
Ebyokera kwenda. Ebyenju.
Enju byaki?
Yo bananas.
Ebyenju. Ebyenvu amenvu bagayita ebyenju.
Ebyenju. Waliwo kale amaganda amazungu nagali agaffe. Naye gali agaffe ge gatera nnyo okuwooma ate gayagala. Like gago wali waggulu agala we gafaanana. Ati tugende.
So guys, right now we're going to be making some shopping for Jaja. Agala nnyo ebintu by'omukolako ye.
Yeah, byagala nnyo.
Namugamba nti you're still young, you tell her you're still young.
Yeah, you're beautiful. Nze kale we tubeera fembi nze mweyitira mama bulamu. Wama mama bulamu. Yeah.
Mama bulamu. Wangi. Okay. Jaja.
Kati
Hold here, Jaja. Hold here. Quarter one. Quarter one. Mbani namu quarter one. Quarter one. Mum quarter comment.
Kanu kagufu. Karo.
Leka tumufunire akawanvu.
Tugenda nkwatirirewo. Tugenda. Ako tukaleke. Nkakunagisa obuyinja jjajja. Oba nkwima. Tuyika motoka.
Naye ng'engato ya Jaja mugiraba, Jaja anyumye.
She loves it that way sometimes.
Okay. Okay, so tugenda ne Ibra. Ibra agenda ogulewo motoka tugende.
pass off or standing straight. Yeah. But she can. She always do.
Okay. Endoza tumuteeke mu maaso. Tumuteeke mu maaso. Abadde agamba ki Jaja?
Tumuteeke emabega. Tumuse emabega.
Kale Jaja muleete. Jaja otule wano. Ebintu bye bya time tomupapyapapya.
Tayetaaga mugo. Sawa eno tayetaaga mugo. Ali malida.
Anasobola okwetuuzaayo.
Kale ayagala nnyo ewalikirina olabika asoose.
Olimba. Asoose kiriningawo. Anaye Jaja banaye. But it's a cruise exclusive. The only thing you can do is subscribe on my YouTube channel. I always have good stories. I always bring you good stories. And you guys have been always asking me, Alan, please bring for us Jaja, bring for us Jaja. And of course, I've done so. Whenever stories in Africa, I can travel anywhere and I can always get it for you there. Okay. Okay, so abatulaba ku cruise exclusive, this is how we've been with the journey, and of course right now tugenda kutwala Jaja. We are heading to the supermarket, doing some shopping for Jaja, do some shopping for Jaja, then come back here. Then we see how she prepares her meals in her kitchen. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Tugende tutambulemu ne Jaja. Muvugemu mutwala akole shopping. Hey, lwaki nedda naawe oyinza okuba eyo ng'olina ky'oyagala okuwa Jaja. The number is always there. Nze nja kuba mbituusa bulungi byonna. Myaka 122 si kyangu, naye bw'oba ne Jajawo ng'alina emyaka 12, abamu abazadde mulina abazadde osobola okujja n'oŋŋamba nti nze omuzadde wange aweza 10 nja kuba nzija, naye Jaja mugumu nga bw'okiwulira, asobola okutambula, yadde atambula mpola naye asobola okutambula. Ate n'ekira kye baŋŋambye, Jaja asobola okufumba naye yeefumbira ku peesi y'empola, ate ayagala nnyo akanyama kamuwoomera, akafumba bw'ati ne kajerebera, bakujja kujerebera nga egonda nnyo ya. So man, Shanique, tebadde experience nungi. Bantu babuulireko nga oli eyo.
Badde experience nungi. Jaja surprise gye tumukubye naye gy'atukubye ate badde y'amaanyi. Tugamba nti yasinga kwagala nnyama ate ng'ayagala eryejje ebeeredde yennyini. Ate nze nga ndowooza abakadde.
Ku mukadde w'emyaka 10.
Simulabangako, nkoma ku ba9. Ate nga kizibu osanga omukadde ng'agamba nti ye ayagala kulya ki? Nnyama. Baba bagivaako nga baga tebalina mannyo, baagala nsujju.
Jangu otubuulire oba gwe wali olabyeko luli gwe Ibula omukadde w'emyaka 10. Yanguwa tovimbavimba nnyo, tovimbira nnyo mu butala bwange, tovimbavimba nnyo. Omukadde w'emyaka 12.
Ate nkyewunyiza nnyo ne splash nga mutegeera.
Nkugambe Jajja agambye splash.
Alina bamwogeddemu n'entya naye nga kyayogera akitegeeza naye ng'akitegeeza. Kyamaanyi.
Lwaki nkulaze bano abantu bentambudde nabo okuva eka